How you doing, guys? From another beautiful area here in Canada, from the Niagara-on-the-Lake area. If you are visiting Niagara, you should come here to the vineyard area. That's actually vineyard with the fruits right now. And we are going to have a lunch because we visited yesterday, on yesterday's video, obviously, the Niagara Falls and to the Two Sisters Winery. Beautiful place, beautiful weather. This is the most important thing, as the weather is actually beautiful. We're gonna show you around. Beautiful place, little bit similar to the Swan Valley what I visited in Australia last time. Also some nice cars here. That's the Bronco and that's the Mustang Bullet. This is actually pretty rare and fancy. I'm gonna show you the place, lunch, and explore a little bit of the area here. We are in Two Sisters Winery, very beautiful place for the lunch, because many wineries here, they have only wine tasting, but this one is also a place where is the restaurant, so you can have a lunch, you can enjoy beautiful weather, by the way. When I was coming to Canada, I was afraid it's gonna be more cold in general, but so far so good. The weather is beautiful. You can overlooking the wine plantation, actually, that's the grapes. Overall, beautiful place. Second time on the winery on two different continents, so that's an experience already, I gotta tell you. I'm gonna show you the lunch. I'm gonna stroll a little bit around. It's actually very quiet and cozy and calm. With the fruits, now they are fruits, that's actually cool. Cannot get inside very much, but from the outside. And that's the place from the outside. Looks like this one with this bunny. And today is the weather that good, as we can sit basically outside, outdoors, which is very cool. And that's generally, that's the place. And here you go, the food like this one, and that's the environment in general, like this one. Enjoy. That's the place outside, actually, the yard, the entrance, and the building itself. That's the place. I'm gonna go to another location, actually.
Stars last night, did not believe that I would end up right. Lucky endings were not something for me. I drove around all across the land, thought that I was caught in a one-man band, but playing all those sad and lonely songs. My faith was lost, my hope was gone. My dreams were shattered and I was done. I was roaming down the street in my weary feet, and then you came along with the love so strong.
And that's the Niagara-on-the-Lake town itself. Little town next to the border with United States. I'm gonna show you a little bit around, little stroll after lunch. How does it look like? Very tourist-oriented place, very cozy in general, a lot of shops and stuff. Basically, that's how does it look like. There is the main street, pretty wide with the parking spots. That's the Irish design here, and Dairy Queen. A lot of establishments, like a very old town. Very cozy in general, so many different, it's totally a little bit different, especially to compare to Toronto. That's the one of the cafes here. You can enjoy your coffee or something, the ice cream shops and all of this stuff. So it's also quite a lot of real people strolling around for this time of the day, and you know, it's Thursday actually, not the weekend, so I believe on the weekends must be actually even more busy here. Overall, a lot of interesting stores. This one, for example, and definitely very nice looking little town here. It's without any doubts, nice and different, that's for sure. And a lot of overall places where you can enjoy some like ice cream or perhaps or coffee or something, sitting next to the street, or somebody driving a nice bike. People coming, making videos as well, not only me actually over here. And you can find like old school stores. Also plenty of stores with the souvenirs, gift shops, people enjoying the time on the bench. That's the main clock tower here, like this one. And basically that's the town, looking like this one. A lot of places to stroll around. That's the one of the bars here. Overall nice looking town, to be honest, like a little town, but with these flowers and with this everything here, actually gonna tell you, really nice looking and totally different vibe, let's say, to the bigger towns. This flower is actually pretty nice and they're growing in this climate, so cool. And Scottish loft, the Niagara Apothecary, crossing the street. Overall that's the vibes. I'm gonna show. That's the very nice, actually, Prince of Wales Hotel. Nice looking place, actually. And obviously you wanna find a lot of shops. Like I said, but like a boutique style, like totally different, like nice. That's also, somebody told me, as that's the Just Christmas, the Christmas store, what is open all year round. So basically you can shop Christmas stuff all year round. Unbelievable, right? And as expectable, inside the store you can find a lot of beautiful decorations for Christmas, but open 24, basically not 24/7, but all year round. So cool. It's the store with so many nice decorations, like this one. Yeah, what I'm gonna tell you, actually, so cool. Actually, this store is super cool. A little bit difficult to make a video inside because quite a lot of people and everybody are looking a little bit hard to make a video there. So that's why I was moving a little bit fast, but very cool. And it's even more cooler when it's open all year round. Actually, not sure why, but it is.
I woke up in the middle of the night. And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me. But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all. It is hard to share my thoughts. It's like cutting a wound in a bleeding heart. It gets me. But I know that you need it all. Just give me some time, 'cause I need to know that you're staying.
After strolling here for a while, I'm gonna tell you, actually, really beautiful little town here. I'm gonna say really cool. Showed you a little bit of with the narration, a little bit of the just general shots, but overall cool. It's cool place, and it's also cool weather already. Also here is some hotel, 124 actually, in the old building, like an entrance to the house. And actually the wooden house like this one is the Starbucks from circa 1840, which actually it's cool. a little bit different, like I already said a few times. And you get off from the main street actually, like this one. There will be already the residential area. Normally houses, local people living around. Basically, like here, you can see already people living. Here is actually little, somebody transformed house into little cafe or something. But after that, you see basically just the local houses, just literally off from the main street. And one of the example of the houses, like this one, a little bit different. I think they are maybe old actually. That's why. And of course, all the system of the streets here, well, they're like a straight streets with the stop signs. So the residential area have a very huge wide streets basically, like this one. That's actually French name of the street. Like I said, the French language is very popular here. And that's the houses. Just wanted to show you. This is obviously Canada. It's not Asia, so everything will be literally, everything will be different. But I have opportunity to show you that's the difference actually. Somebody have a nice old house there, actually the yellow one, and that's the smaller one, and the walkways like this one. It's very quiet and cozy in general. Like for example, this house is from circa 1880, so that's actually pretty old.
When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. When I look back, I can see you're hiding.
Also out of the topic a little bit, but we just arrived to the McDonald's here outside the town, and it looks weird. I mean, it looks funny. I mean, it looks cool at the same time. It looks like a totally middle of the countryside. It looks like a house transformed into McDonald's, and there is like a Picard's, another country store with peanuts, something like that, on the middle, a little bit of nowhere. Interesting. But this is actually why it's cool to travel, to see something different. This is, well, different, right? Canadian McDonald's. You can see even the Canadian sign on it. Cool. A little bit different. Wonder how it looks inside actually. It's our community tab, like a place. Actually, to be honest, this McDonald's is very old school. I've been in many McDonald's around the world, but like this one, I never ever saw in my life before. So cool, actually like a retro style McDonald's. Also another thing very cool, I'm gonna show you the Bass Pro shop, which is the fishing shop. My friend said it's huge. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna let you know. Canada greatest outdoor store, Bass Pro shop. Let's get inside. And White River there looks decent already from outside. This is just entrance to the store, and I'm gonna tell you already it's pretty impressive. Don't know where to look. So cool. This is it. And look at the size of the store actually, I'm gonna tell you. This is like an outdoor store. Everything you can find here, but it's huge. So they sell the ATVs here. They're selling the boats perhaps for fishing, the engines. Well, this is just the beginning. Of course the clothes, but I would like to say it's just the outdoor store, but it's very nice decorated. And they have like really a lot of cool stuff. Very cool place. It's like famous in Canada, I heard. So cool. So for fishing, outdoors, that's all the rods here, there, and all of the stuff. I hope so. Yeah, I'm gonna show you a little bit. It looks decent, isn't it? If you're fishing, we must visit this place. It's a section with the forest clothing. I call it forest clothing, but that's how it looks like. And they're also selling the guns here. I hope so YouTube not gonna demonetize my video for that. It should be fine actually. A lot of stuff. That's the gun section, but of course that's the gun section only for the hunting. It's not for the personal use or anything like this. I just wanted to show you how big it is. Also with the birds as decoration on the top. It's a really nice decoration, and they also have like an aquarium with the fishes. But this one is dope actually. It's just the store. It's just the store. But it's how cool. Look at this. They make it really dope. That's the fishes. That's it for today's video. That was the Niagara-on-the-Lake little town and vineyards and stuff like this one. This is what you can expect. Highly recommended to go if you're going to Niagara Falls. Come also here because actually the town is lovely. The small but lovely, totally something different. That was 2 videos from Niagara. Tomorrow will be another video from Canada. From where? I don't know, but we're gonna find out tomorrow. Thanks so much. See you tomorrow. Thanks, guys.